Our topic for our class today, Mathematics Olympiad. So our classes belong to Mathematics Olympiad. I'm going to solve one problem. This problem, we have one problem here to solve it to this class. Remember, this class is challenge. Challenge is a kind of test, a big test. So we need to be able to use a lot of rules, a lot of things that you know from math. Okay, so power, exponential, and logarithmic function. All right, we have one problem here. Our problem is let fx be a function defined on R, the real numbers, such that f1 is equals 2008. Suppose for each x belong to real numbers. Okay, two ways, two different answers. We need to work in two different ways, but actually it's going to be the same answer. F of x plus 2 minus fx minus or less, less or equals 3 times 2 to the x power. The second one, fx plus 6 minus fx greater or equals than 63 times 2 to the x power. All right, see the problem here. So find the value of f 2008. We have to find the value of this. All right, so the solution one, it falls from the condition that for example, here f what is this one, f of x plus 2, look at this, minus fx equals, listen, so equals fx plus 4, all right, here, minus f x plus 2, all right, minus f x plus 6, all right. Here is going to be negative f negative of x plus 4 plus f of x plus 6, right? In this way, look at the parentheses here, minus f of x, all this, see, x plus added to this, all right? Then this next step is going to be greater or equals. So now look this, minus on 3 here times 2 to the x power plus 2, all right. Next step, minus 3.2, 3 times 2 to the x power plus 4 plus 63, all right, times 2 to the x power equals 3 times 2 to the x power, all right. Combine both. Next step, thus f of x plus 2 minus f of x equals 3 times 2 to the x power. So therefore, he almost done. Therefore, or in conclusion, okay, f of 2008 is equals f of 2008 minus f of 2006 plus f of 2006, see, minus and plus, and then minus f of 2004. Okay, here as a plus, so on, we continue like that. It means that, so continue, we continue here, so f2, all right, minus f of 0 plus f of 0, right, minus and plus, so equals, here, equals, let me use another color because it's maybe confused, 3 times, here is a 2 to the 2006 power plus 2 to the 2004 power plus something, I mean as continue like that, so plus 2 plus 1, all right, plus f of 0. So now we have the answer. Then the answer here, this answer, or I mean the solution 1, number 1 here is this. Look at this, 3 times 4 here, we have 4 to the 1004 power minus 1, here minus 1 here over 4 minus 1 plus f of 0 plus x of 0. This is equals 2 to the 2008 plus 2007. Okay, so this is the one solution. This is one solution number number 1. Now find the solution number 2. Let's erase here and then look for the solution number 2. Solution 2. All right. So here, so let gx equals f of x minus 2 to the x power to this power. Yeah, then we are gonna have it's long process, g of x plus 2 minus g of x equals f of x plus 2 minus f of x minus 2 to the x power plus 2 plus 2 to the x power less or equals than 3 times 2 to the x power minus 3 times 2 to the x power equals 0. Right? This is a little bit longer process, a lot of process. So these kind of problems, you need to be very smart to find the solution. You know, there's a mathematical Olympiad. Very complex problem. So, but once you practice this and see the process, you're going to be very master in this kind of the exercise or the problems. Okay, now you have the started with this problem, the solution number 2. So now, so here, g to the x plus 2, all right, this one less or equals than g x of x and g of x plus 6 greater than g of x. All right? Look at this. So then, hence, or then, yeah, then we are gonna have here, I'm gonna use different colors to avoid confuse, g of x less or equals than g of x plus 6 less or equals than g of x plus 4, and then less or equals than g of x plus 2 less or equals than g of x. So that's it, right? Which show that gx, all right, is this which gx, and here gx is periodic. Gx is periodic. See? Gx right here is periodic. It's periodic with periodo number 2, right? Therefore, look at this. This is the final step. So, híjole, a lot of information or data. So, f of 2008, look, is equals to g of 2008 plus 2 to the 2008 power equals g of x plus 2 to the 2008 here power equals f of 0, right? F of 0 minus 1 plus 2 to the 2008. Remember the first solution? Remember the first solution? So this is equals 2 to the 2008 power plus the same solution. See? Same solution. 2007. Right? We got it the same solution that the first. This is the solution number 2. And then the solution number 1, remember the process? You see my video before and you see we got it the same solution. So thank you so much, guys. See you next time.